Hello everyone, welcome to prestashop. So what exactly is this tool? This tool is a online platform that lets developers and sellers create their own website, or more specifically, their own online store. It's a web-based solution. It enables online selling on a customizable e-commerce platform that grows with your business. Basically, it provides everything to quickly set up a store without extensive customization, unlike WooCommerce. It states, designed for commerce, built for success. Got it? You're in control. It says, backed by our community of over 250 experts and more, okay? So here they show us a bit about the tools used, whether paid or integrations, and we can start. I'm not sure if we can see the services, hosting, prices and such. No, it looks like they just give recommendations. Oh look, here it is. Classic, right? Free, based on PrestaShop 8, custom classic theme, all-in-one payment with PayPal, auto ads, marketing automation, shipping, full analytics, okay? Then a hosted option includes hosting, support and commerce to launch our online store, so they host it for us. Classic is free, but it notes excludes costs like hosting / domain name. Okay, let's check out some reviews, shall we? And we're seeing it has, in fact, a 2.2 rating. Let's find out why. Okay, no, let's not criticize just yet. It has a 2.2 with 53% 5-star ratings out of 547 votes, which is a lot. Let's take a look at the 1-star reviews. PrestaShop software is free, but it's basically useless without serious mods and paid modules. You can buy these from prestashop.com, but their customer service website is extremely poor. For customers, you might buy modules that don't work, or if your site breaks, you can't even get a refund. And here they provide a bit of feedback. They seem to respond to reviews with detailed replies, which looks very promising. So, well, I'd give it a good review. It's true it has a 2.2 rating. I'd say that's a bit unfair, don't you think? Here's a PrestaShop review, 2.8 stars. Why doesn't PrestaShop get much love? The code is terrible to work with, even with the ecosystem. It says they prefer using Shopify or WooCommerce, which is what I was talking about, right? On G2, it has slightly better reviews, though all reviews there seem inflated for some reason. It has a 4.3 out of 5 stars there. Perfect to start, complex to advance. Well, PrestaShop is an option for established e-commerce, not for industry newcomers. It's a good CMS to start your e-commerce. It's good because it's free. Well, that doesn't mean it's good. The best e-commerce, it said there. As I said, the reviews aren't great. Unfortunately, I can't test it myself. But it'd be cool to test it without a domain, like with a demo, but there you have it.